Cody man was just barking like crazy because somebody's car pulled up outside. He was out back. But I thought I had this thing recording, but it wasn't. And, well, I got a lot of dust in here. Holy cow, is there a lot of dust in here? Look at that shit floating around. Is that dust? Yeah, I can see it. Okay, I can see it under the camera. So anyways, he just went from full-blown barking, psycho bark, to 396 hertz. Made him lay down and just stop barking. Usually he'll need to be told to stop barking. And I tried this earlier. I'm going to put the tape up where he found the speaker. And when he found the speaker, he put his nose right up to it and was listening to this exact same beat. So 396 hertz. This one's through Meditative Mind. You should be able to see it here. I have no affiliation with this website. I'm just doing a review here. And if you go through their reviews of what other people have said, a lot of people have tried these on their dogs just to make sure they're not nuts. You know what I mean? You know, you could have a placebo effect or whatever. However, a dog is not paying attention to that. I'm trying to find one of the dog things here. Let's see. Love the sounds. They use water droplets too to make some of these vibrations here. Where is it? Third eye, blah, blah, blah. Presently surprised, yet calm. My heart is relaxing. This is a quote from Chelsea. It says, which to me feels strange than normal. I'm sensitive, feel everything. This is lifting weight off my chest physically. Safe? Question mark. I'm breathing deep without thinking about it. And you know what? In the beginning, I wanted to, quote, not like it. That's my grief speaking. Grief didn't win this round. Read more here. Let's see. Grief didn't win this round. Peace, light, and love. You're a lifesaver, whoever you are. So she's thanking the website. When you go through here, there are people who have also tested this out on pets to see if it really works. Now, you won't know if the pain one, they have a pain frequency here. I think that's 396. 528, I believe. Brings positive transformation. Brain calming. 639 is compassion. 396 also lets go of fear, negative blocks. What's the same frequency as this? 285 rapidly heals and regen. Now, I've tried this one the last couple nights. It even sounds pleasant to the ears. That's the light they use with it. What is kind of freaky is see those white dots around what looks like they're maybe making the sun or whatever. I have video I've taken recently of the sun where you see these white, it almost looks like this. These white popcorn looking things popping around the sun is being picked up on the infrared. So, I don't know. 285 is the Solfeggio, if that's how you pronounce it, Solfeggio, and I should have learned that word, how to say it properly before I do a review, but whatever. Has the amazing ability to remember the state of our cellular and molecular system. Well, your cells remember that. This is helping them do that. And it helps to return tissue to their original form. That's why it's very helpful. It's very helpful is healing wounds, cuts, burns, and other form of damaged tissue. The track itself is created from Grand Mariamba, which creates the beautiful tones, the lush background soundscape, da-da-da. So, there's a shout out to Meditative Mind. Please don't copyright strike me. I'm just showing letting people know that your site is out there. Again, I get nothing for this, so... and I don't make money on internet anyways. I'm just doing this to help people that maybe don't want to take medication for relaxing, or if you're in real bad pain. Here's one. There's several different ones. If you stick with the ones with good reviews and higher reviews, because some of these channels, I don't know who these people are, but Meditative Mind is a pretty big one. I think they got 1 million subscribers, so a lot of people have been listening to these guys. So there's another one out there. I think it's Power Thought Mediation Club. They do the SOLFEGGIO also. Frequencies 1.7 million views just on this one video here. I haven't listened to this one ever yet. 1.7 million views. This is a special album put together with the use of all 9 frequencies. So they're, I guess, hitting all the chakras or something. Blissful healing, relaxation, meditation, So take a look into this stuff. You don't believe it, then don't look into it. But if you want to try something different, want you to feel a little bit better, want to do it without medication, want to do it whatever your reason, check it out. So, Wake Chicago, 1042 again.